Hi gorgeous, how are you? So Catrice Cosmetics has released new makeup products for the fall winter collection. Yes, winter is coming and my order is here. I'm very excited to unbox it with you. I don't remember all of the products that I bought, so we're going to find out together. Also, I'm going to be testing the products in a future video, so don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell to get notified for all of my latest videos. Unboxing time, and we have a paper here. Makeup is a way to say who you are without having to speak. That's right. It is a way of expressing yourself. These are all of the goodies that I got. I bought some products from the Catrice website. If you live in Germany, you can find all of the latest releases there. Also, I bought two products. These here from Douglas. This is another German website because this product here was sold out everywhere and Douglas was the only website that had it. So let's start with this product. This one is a soft glam filter fluid, a glow booster. I got the shade 15 light, and this one reminds me so much the e.l.f. glow filter and also the Charlotte Tilbury, and I'm very curious to swatch it. And yeah, it is so similar with the e.l.f. one. I have used the e.l.f. in my viral latte makeup look, so I remember how it looks. The sheen reminds me a lot those products, and the Catrice one is more affordable. I'm very excited to try it on my face. Okay, I'm going to be using it in my next video. And the mascara that I got from Douglas is the Go Big Go Bold 24-hour wear extreme false lash effect mascara. You could find this in a lot of websites. I bought it from Douglas just to have two products in the box. That's why. Let's see the applicator. Ooh, it looks very nice. We have an hourglass shape and it's not very thick, so I'm guessing it's gonna be very easy for me to use. One mascara I bought 3, I think, 4. I can see 2. And this one here is the Pure Volume Magic Brown Mascara. I have tried the regular as well. That's why I wanted to try the brown. Also, I want to do some more natural makeup looks on my channel. And the brown mascara is always more natural than a black mascara. We have a thinner applicator. It is a round fiber brush. I like the spoolie a lot. Let's see the next one. It is the Pure False Lash Beyond Black Mascara. Okay, I'm confused. They have one more mascara with this packaging. Okay, I need to find that mascara too. So let's see the applicator. Ooh, it's different. This one is curved. We also have a fiber brush. It is very thin. I'm very excited to use it as well. So far 3 mascaras. And then I have 2 brow mascaras. We're going to the brows now. So this one is the Clear Fix Transparent Brow Gel Mascara. I wanted to try a new one because I had one from last year, the Brow Glue, something like that, and it started getting sticky. So I'm very curious to try this one. Oh, it has some scent, an alcohol scent. And the other brow gel, the Color and Fix Brow Gel Mascara in the shade 20 Medium Brown. I hope this is my shade. Oh no, it looks very light. Why? Why? No, this is light for my hair. It's not medium brown. I'm hoping it oxidizes and gets darker. Now I can see 2 liquid lipsticks. Let's take them out. For some reason, I thought that I had this liquid lipstick in my collection, but I have never tried the latest formula by Catrice. Wait a minute. Ah, it's the same. And the packaging is not exactly the same. That's confusing. This one is the Matte Pro Ink Non-Transfer Liquid Lipstick. I got the shade 160 I win every day. So this is gonna be my everyday liquid lipstick. And the other one is 130 exclusively me. And I'm really curious to swatch them. I wanted brown liquid lipsticks. Ooh, this is super chocolatey, delicious. And this is the shade 130 exclusively me. Super nice for fall makeup looks. Actually for summer as well. Let's see the other shade, 160 I win every day. This one is a lighter brown shade. I thought it was gonna have a cool undertone. It's a very weird shade. I think it has a little bit of pink, but also orange. I'm going to let them dry on my hand because I have never tried them before and I'm super curious if they are actually transfer proof. I also got 2 lip pencils. I have tried to get shades that can match these liquid lipsticks, but when you're buying products online, it's not easy to match your colors. This one is a plumping lip liner and I got the shade 100 Go All Out because I'm winning every day. So let's swatch this also next to the lip products. This one goes very well with the shade 130. And let's go to the other shade that I got. It is called 69 Manhattan. I don't really get the name. And this one is a lighter brown shade. I think I can also use it with a liquid lipstick. Lip color matching. Check. Not so creamy. Okay, they are setting. I found one more mascara. Okay, mascara number 4. This one is the Curl Volume and Curl Mascara. It looks like we're gonna have a super thick applicator. Let's find out. Oh, I was wrong. I like the applicator. It has short plastic bristles. It is a curled brush. This one also looks like something that I can use. I'm very excited about this as well. And I'm going to do a video with all of the mascaras if you're thinking what happened. Mascara craziness here. I have a lot of products that are wrapped. Ooh, 2 products here. The first one is a new highlighter that I saw. And I was very curious to see how it looks in person because the swatches looked like nothing with the product. So this one is the Glowlights highlighter. We have the shade 10 Rosy Nude. How do we open this? Oh, it has a sticker. And this is how it looks. We have a beautiful rippling effect. I'm hoping that you can also see. We're going to swatch it. This is a swatches haul party. Ooh, it looks so pretty. Okay, let's swatch it here. It's a very interesting shade. You can also see the lavender. It is also very, very smooth on the skin. About the liquid lipsticks, they're not moving. That's nice. I have some transfer. Maybe I have applied a lot of product to see the color. And let's go to the other product in the paper. So this one is the Cheek Affair Blush and Highlighter Palette. Super cute. I got the shade 30 Hot Peach Summer and you can find this in a lot of shades. Oops, what have I done with the stickers? This one looks like a beautiful champagne highlighter. It has a yellow sheen and the next one is a hot pink blush. It has a matte to satin finish and also some gold micro glitter, which is weird. I'm very curious to see how it looks on the cheeks. Catrice has some amazing blushes. I have high hopes for this one. Paper, go away. Ooh, I forgot it. So this one is the Magic Shaper Contour and Glow Stick. I got the shade 10 Light and they actually had a contouring stick last year. I was very confused that they have a new one. Have they discontinued that one? On one side we have this beautiful chocolatey contouring stick. I'm going to use it in a video, so I don't want to swatch it now. And on the other side we have the highlighter. Ooh, it is very promising. Okay, I'm going to swatch it a little bit. Ah, it's very thick. No, you're right. It's not very creamy. Even though it has a thicker consistency, it is a little bit silicone-y. I don't know. I hope it is easy to blend on the face. I'm going to use it in the next Catrice video. Let's go to the wrapped products again. We have two. We have two here. Okay. They are both blushes. So I was in a mascara craziness and blushes craziness. Okay, one out, two out, and I almost dropped the second one. So I got two shades of the airblush glow blush. Say that 3 times, and they are both new. We have this little sticker. I got the shade 40 Peach Passion and also 50 Berry Haze. I have tried these again in a lighter shade and it was super cute. So I want to try the new shades as well. Let's go to the shade 40 Peach Passion. This is a beautiful corally pink shade. I thought it was gonna be a little bit peachier. Am I right? It's not so peachy. And now let's go to the shade 50 Berry Haze. I'm trying to get all of the colors. Ooh, this is a beautiful lavender pink. I really like it because I don't have many blushes with this color. These look very smooth in the swatches. They are looking very promising. I'm super happy about that. And let's go now to this one. This is the Under Eye Brightener Instant Awake. I got the shade 20 Warm Nude. I think they have one more shade. The other one was looking very pink and very light for me, so I didn't buy that one. And I'm very curious about this. Ooh, we have some drops. It's fine. I think it is because we have very hot weather now in Berlin. I'm going to tap it with some tissue paper very lightly, and I also swatched it. I have intense discolorations in the inner part of my eye. I think I can completely cover them with this product. It looks like a glass jar, but I think it is plastic. It has a nice weight to it. The packaging is very pretty for a drugstore product. Oh, okay, so the next one is the Artful Nail Polish Liner, and this is in the shade 10 Pinky Promise. If you place your order on the Catrice website and it is more than a certain amount of money, I'm gonna have it here, you can get 2 free products that you're choosing out of 6 or 8. I don't remember exactly. So I chose this one, so it is my freebie, and I wanted to get it to create some cute designs. I really like this color. I'm going to use it in my next money day. What do we have here? Oh, it is my second freebie. Okay, so this one is the More Than Nude nail polish in the shade 18 Toffee to Go. Oh, we have to, I always forget. This is a beautiful cool tone light brown shade. I like it because it is moody. Let's find the next wrapped product. Woo, that's pretty. So this one is the Cozy Earth eyeshadow palette. It looks much better than the pictures on their website. Some of the product pictures were fuzzy. It wasn't easy to see the colors of the eyeshadows. I think this is the perfect color story for fall makeup looks. That's why I bought it. We have beautiful olive green, a warmer brown shade, some shimmery eyeshadows. I'm very curious about the golden shades and the green. So I'm going to swatch them here. Ooh, that's pretty. The next one, what is happening? Welcome to Pigment Town. The green, it's so cute. Okay, I'm super excited about this palette. I will definitely use it in the next video. I can't wait to try all of the products, especially the eyeshadow palette, this soft glam filter. I was gonna say glow filter. Let me know in the comments which products do you want me to try in the next video. And you can also watch here my version of the Latte makeup look. I have used only affordable products. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!